Good morning and welcome to Get Shit Done Sunday. We did not get shit done on Saturday, so we've just moved it a day along and we're getting shit done today. I got up at the back crack of dawn because I wanted to make sure that I was getting stuff done before that sun. Shit done in the lounge whilst talking about our homes. Because somewhere along the way, people started acting like there are rules for how your house should look. What colour you should paint it, how much stuff you should own, whether we should have ornaments, baskets, blankets, matching jars, or absolutely nothing at all. But honestly, your home should reflect you, your personality, your comfort, your chaos and your peace. If you love neutral decor, amazing. If you love bright colours, go bloody wild. If you have cosy blankets, candles and cushions that make you happy, fill the house with them. But if minimalism makes your brain feel calm, equally as amazing. The point is, you're the one living there and our home should be lived in. But if you like a staged home that looks like nobody lives there too, that's great. Because some people have laundry baskets in corners, coffee cups on the side tables, blankets thrown over sofas. And that's life. But if you like your home to look like no